Welcome to Wiki, your go-to source for everything related to making money online. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of Bitcoin. If you've been curious about how to invest in Bitcoin, but aren't sure where to start, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through all the essential steps, from understanding Bitcoin to making your first investment. Stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to confidently start your Bitcoin investment journey. 1. What is Bitcoin? Before we get into how to invest, it's important to understand what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is a type of digital currency that operates without a central authority or banks. It's decentralized, which means transactions take place directly between users through the blockchain, a secure, public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group of people under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Since its creation, Bitcoin has grown exponentially in popularity and is now seen by many as digital gold. The limited supply of Bitcoin, only 21 million coins will ever exist, makes it attractive to investors looking for an alternative store of value and hedge against inflation. 2. Why invest in Bitcoin? There are several reasons why people choose to invest in Bitcoin. Potential for high returns. Bitcoin's price has skyrocketed over the years, making early investors significant profits. While the price can be volatile, many view it as a long-term investment that could continue to grow. Inflation hedge. As Bitcoin is decentralized and not controlled by any government, it is seen as a way to protect wealth against inflation, especially in times of economic uncertainty. Diversification. Adding Bitcoin to your investment portfolio can help diversify risk since it often doesn't move in the same direction as traditional stock markets. However, like any investment, there are risks, and it's essential to only invest what you can afford to lose. 3. Steps to invest in Bitcoin. Step 1. Understand your investment goals before you invest. It's crucial to ask yourself, what am I hoping to achieve? Are you looking for short-term gains, or are you in for the long haul? Knowing your goals will help shape your strategy. Step 2. Choose a secure Bitcoin wallet. A Bitcoin wallet is essential to store your Bitcoin safely. There are two types of wallets: hot wallets. These are online wallets connected to the internet, making them easily accessible but slightly more vulnerable to hacks. Examples include Coinbase Wallet and Blockchain. Calm wallet. Cold wallets. These are offline wallets, typically hardware-based, and are considered much safer from hacking attempts. Examples include Ledger and Trezor. If you're new to Bitcoin, a hot wallet might be easier to manage. However, for long-term or large investments, cold wallets are recommended. Step 3. Choose a reputable exchange. To buy Bitcoin, you'll need to sign up for a cryptocurrency exchange. Some of the most popular and trusted exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Gemini. These platforms allow you to purchase Bitcoin using traditional currency, like USD, Euro, or GBP. When choosing an exchange, consider the fees, ease of use, and security features. Step 4. Make your first purchase. Once you've set up your account on an exchange, you can buy Bitcoin. You'll typically see two options: market order and limit order. Market order buys Bitcoin at the current market price. Limit order buys Bitcoin at a price you specify, but the purchase will only go through when the market reaches that price. If you're new to investing, starting with a market order is the simplest option. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase, confirm the transaction, and voila! You now own Bitcoin. Step 5. Transfer your Bitcoin to your wallet. After purchasing Bitcoin, it's recommended to transfer your coins from the exchange to your personal wallet, especially if you're planning to hold them for a long time. This minimizes the risk of losing your Bitcoin due to exchange hacks. 4. Bitcoin investment strategies. Now that you have your Bitcoin, what's next? There are several strategies you can use to maximize your investment. HODL strategy. HODL, or hold on for dear life, is a popular strategy in the crypto community. It involves buying Bitcoin and holding it for the long term, regardless of short-term price fluctuations. This is ideal if you believe in Bitcoin's future growth and are willing to weather its volatility. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. If you're not comfortable with Bitcoin's price volatility, dollar cost averaging may be a good option. With DCA, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, example, weekly or monthly. This helps reduce the risk of buying Bitcoin at a high price and ensures you don't need to worry about timing the market. Trading Bitcoin. If you're more experienced and willing to take risks, day trading or swing trading could be options. This involves buying and selling Bitcoin over short periods to profit from market volatility. Keep in mind that this strategy requires significant market knowledge and can be risky for beginners. 5. Risks of investing in Bitcoin. While Bitcoin offers potential for high rewards, it also comes with significant risks. Volatility. Bitcoin's price can fluctuate wildly in a short amount of time. While this can result in huge gains, it can also lead to substantial losses. Security risks. If you lose access to your wallet or private keys, your Bitcoin is gone forever. Additionally, exchanges are sometimes targeted by hackers, which is why it's critical to store your Bitcoin securely. Regulatory risks. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies. New regulations could impact Bitcoin's price or usage. Always make sure to do thorough research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. 6. Final thoughts. Investing in Bitcoin can be a rewarding experience if approached carefully and strategically. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or capitalize on Bitcoin's long-term potential, this guide should help you take the first steps toward becoming a successful Bitcoin investor. Remember, as with any investment, educate yourself, start small, and be prepared for both ups and downs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest money-making tips. See you in the next video.